Let's say you show up to the market with a big bag of money. There is a great chance that you can make solid returns over time with relatively safe investments and limited daily management. However, if you are looking to grow a small investment, you need to be proactive in the market. You need to make gains, not mistakes. It's impossible to gain experience without taking your losses, but with the right team and supports in place, you can minimize the injuries and maximize the gains. These are the 5 essential components to the stock market starter kit. Number 1, a brokerage account. So you're finally ready to start investing in the stock market, but you're wondering, how and where do I actually buy stocks? This is what you'll need to make your first investment, a brokerage account. A stock brokerage account is where you'll hold your investments, whether it's stocks, bonds, ETFs, or other securities. It's the gateway to the market, like a membership at Sam's Club, Costco, or BJ's. Whoever you choose, just know that having the right account is key to building your investment portfolio. In simple terms, a brokerage account is a platform that connects you to the stock market. Through it, you can buy and sell investments, monitor performance, and grow your wealth. Next, you need a technical trainer for charting. Listen, you can't just buy stocks on a whim and hope they go up. You need to understand the charts. Candlesticks, support and resistance, moving averages. These are your tools. A technical trainer is someone who can teach you how to read these charts like a professional. A good trainer will walk you through key charting techniques and teach you how to identify trends before they happen. You'll be able to spot breakouts, reversals, and key price levels that can make a huge difference in your trading strategy. Mastering technical analysis doesn't happen overnight, but with a trainer who knows their stuff, you can accelerate your learning and make more informed trades. Next, you need a coach. A coach is different than a trainer. Your coach is for the in-game plays. A coach is someone who can give you stock picks, help you spot patterns, and give you that insider knowledge so you can execute when the market is open. It's not about copying their trades. It's about learning from them, getting a game plan, and adjusting it to fit your style. Whether it's a paid mentor, a pro trader you follow, or even just a friend who's been in the game for a while, having someone who can advise you, keep you on track, and provide clarity when things get confusing is key. All right, now, you need a battle buddy. Trust me on this one. Trading is a solo game, but that doesn't mean you need to do it alone. Having a battle buddy, someone you can talk to every day, is a game changer. They help keep you grounded when the market gets wild. They share insights, and they hold you accountable when you're tempted to make impulsive moves. Your battle buddy is the person you can vent to when a stock dips, the one who cheers you on when a trade goes right, and the person who can remind you to keep your emotions in check. Find someone who gets the grind and can push you to stay disciplined. Now, last but not least, and this is a big one, you need $25K in order to operate outside of the pattern day trader rules. Having less than $25K is like having the stock market free trial with limited features. If you didn't know, the PDT rule limits you to just 3 day trades in a 5-day period, unless you have $25K in your account. Yeah, it's a bit of a buzzkill when you're trying to make moves and the market is hot. So, here's the deal. Having $25K in your account gives you that freedom. You can day trade all you want, no restrictions. You can jump in and out of stocks without worrying about hitting that 3-day trade limit. This gives you way more flexibility and a competitive edge when you're trying to make the most out of those market opportunities. But I get it. $25K might not be easy to come by. If that's the case, you'll need to be strategic about your trades or consider growing your account with a swing trading approach while you work your way up. So let's recap. You need a stock brokerage account, a technical trainer for charting, a coach for in-game plays, a battle buddy for the day-to-day grind, and $25K to break free from the pattern day trading rules. If you've got these 5, you'll be set to make better moves and avoid common pitfalls. But remember, the market's a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, keep learning, and let the journey unfold. Please hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which of these essentials do you think you need most in your trading journey. Until next time, stay sharp and keep grinding. Peace and love.